So, what's happening, guys? What's happening, guys? It's TT. I'm back with a video, and I've been seeing a lot of challenges. Oh, before we get to that, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and probably go watch the previous videos I've posted and see where I come from. Yeah, man. So, I've been seeing a lot of challenges on YouTube, and these challenges are all funded account challenges. Some are like flipping small amounts of uh capital into like flipping, random flipping. And I won't lie, I'm tempted to like try and see what I can what I can achieve. So I've went ahead and purchased a funded account. Actually, something that convinced me 100% to actually go ahead with this is that the funded account was actually 680, if I'm not mistaken. But then, because of this presidency thing going on in the USA, because of that presidency thing, they were running a special. It's a 50%, 51% discount off the 680 rands. And that resulted to like me paying 333 rands something for that account. And it's a 50 rands account. Let me just show you and not talk about something like it's not the yeah, so yeah. So oh, it is written to an intent. So yeah, as you can see, this is my profile, and then you're gonna come here to dashboard. I still have to upload my thingy so that I get like approved, as you saw that my profile is still pending. So yeah, so here's the account. Here's the account. Jewel face JP markets only with the best, obviously. And to be honest, that's something else that convinced me to like, okay, go ahead with this, because it's actually like JP Markets. I can use JP Markets as my broker, and that's the broker I'm using. So it makes sense. Secondly, it's me stepping into the funded account space, prop firm is me stepping into prop firm space. You understand? So it's just all things go. There was nothing like, okay, oh, there is one thing that I would say it's like, oh, wait. But then that's only like there are no reviews. You understand? There aren't any people who've like traded these accounts, especially like these accounts from this thingy funded marketplace prop firm. So you don't have any reviews. It's like they new prop firm, you understand? So that's something. But then yeah, man, like I guess we're gonna have to be the one of the first people to like come up with the reviews. So yeah. Nonetheless, yeah. So here's this account, 50K, funded 50K, funded 50K, like, okay, I'm not funded 50K, I'm still on a challenge, but then 50K on the dish with the boy's name. All right. Okay, nonetheless, so let me show you what I'm going to be trading for the coming week. So I don't know if on my last video I did update you on like the pays I'm currently like trading. But let's start on the top, or actually let's start here. Let me just show you what I'm looking at, not show you a lot of stuff, understand? So Gbpjpy. So on Gbpjpy, I don't know if this analysis, I don't know if I was recording myself doing this analysis, but no, I don't think so. It's been a while. It's been a while on YouTube. So here's an analysis on Gbpjpy, and this analysis, it's not this setup here, it's the setup that I'm looking to trade next week. So yeah, and I've been looking at Gbpjpy since last month because as they were coming to do all this here, I've been looking at them, waiting for them to drop. And I won't lie, I think I traded somewhere here or yeah, and I lost some money. And I was like, okay, let me step back a bit. Let me step back a bit and see what they're actually doing. So yeah, this is what they look like. And it's actually now convincing, more convincing to enter, to find entries. The reason for that would be they did desire, made it slow and then continued up, made this continuation sort of thing, and then started dropping. When they was dropping here, they came, broke the slow, reacted here, they reacted here, broke the low, this low here, and then they started ranging. Now, when you look at this, you'll see that this was liquidity. Then now this is them coming in, tapping into this area of supply, and then going down. Now, the next target for this entry is here. But then for this entry, it would be a continuation coming to take profit somewhere here, depending where these lows that are going to take out this low are going to be at. Understand? But having in mind that we also have this area here, which was used to like activate our last orders, even though they left our original entries, because this is where we wanted to enter. We did think that the market could come here and react, but then we didn't think that the market can come here and then act like this rapidly. Because look at this. This is some god entry shit. Understand? Nonetheless, so we're looking to take the market back to this area because this area is really unmitigated, guys. We were just activated and then we left it. We left the area, understand? And we still have this fresh area that we need to come and tap. So I'm going to be trading Gbpjpy. Here's the account. As you can see, JP Markets live demo account JP Markets. This is Nasdaq. I'm actually looking at only two pairs, and these are the two pairs: gold and Gbpjpy only. So yeah, history. As you can see, there's no history. I haven't traded shit. Yeah. So it's only this. So I'm gonna show you the setup that I want to trade on gold. Let me show you. Understand? These are the pays that I'm going to be trading for this week, the coming week, or these are the trades that I'm looking to trade. These are the pays that I'm looking to trade next. Understand? Whether it's next week or it's in 2 weeks or 3 weeks, I don't care. But I'm going to wait for these entries to be activated. Or if something else plays out, maybe I'll have a setup on US30. Then I can add US30 to these pairs, to the pairs that I will be trading. But for now, it's still under analysis because I still have to analyze US30. As you can see, US30 hasn't been that nice to me because I caught the sell, yeah, October, so at the end of October, and then tried buying. I don't know why. Yo, not that I don't know, I do know. I was selling to buy somewhere here, but then I didn't know that this was the strong cells kicking in. Understand? This was the retracement actually kicking in. So this was a good entry to swing, guys. I won't lie, because I could have made like easily like I 1:50 risk to reward, and that's mad. That's mad. That's like 500 times 50. Let's see. and that's only like one position. 500 times 50. That's like 25K per position. That's sick. 4 positions, that's 100K. And that's only like risking 2K. That would have been sick online. But then, unfortunately, that's all we got. Yeah, came here, got mitigated as fuck, and also yeah, got cooked. We made some back here, clean 1:6, restore reward. Nothing much, nothing much. And then, yeah, I didn't see this buy coming in. Honestly, I didn't see this buy coming in. I won't lie. As you can see, there's no analysis here. There is somewhere here I was trying to catch in continuation, this breakup block, I assume. But then look, I didn't see this coming in. As you can see, even this year, it was a quick scalp. Cause I didn't see this buy. Now, that was me explaining the trade and the analysis. Now, this is the setup I have in gold. So, here's the plan for trading this account. I'm going to be risking, let me take you through this so that if you're interested, you'll already have an idea what's happening. So here's this thing here. The daily drawdown still on 0%, haven't started. It's 2,500 rands. The overall drawdown, it's 5,000. And 5,000 is like 10% of the account. And 2,5, it's like 5% of the account. So we can say that the daily drawdown limit is 5%, and overall drawdown limit is 5,000, which is 10%. Understand? So yeah. Yeah, against targets. Yeah. So for the phase one, I'm still confused. I'm not yet 100% sure, but I'm assuming this is a two-step funded account challenge because I don't know, but I think it's a two-step. So the first step, I'm going to say the first step, the target, it's 5,000, and 5,000 is 10%. So they basically made it easy because it's like the overall drawdown, it's 10%, and the target you have to make is 10%. That's a clean, honest one. Can go like USD one lot once. I don't know. But then that's not what I was saying. Don't go do that and say TT said, nah, man, don't do that, don't do that. So yeah, daily drawdown limits 2,500. That's gonna be the equity if you breach that. And then max drawdown, as I was saying, 5,000. So that's that. No trades placed, as you can see. So yeah, this is me and my new account, and I was telling you the plan. I was about to tell you the plan on how we're going to be trading this account. So each setup, I'm planning to be risking like 500 rands. So if I'm risking 500 on each setup, that's going to be like 5,555, 2005, which is the daily drawdown. Imagine. So I will have like basically 10 setup. I'll have to trade like 10 setups for me to like blow the account. I have to have 10 failing setups consecutively for me to blow the account. Understand? For me to fail the challenge. Understand? And according to my calculations, I'm TT, the one and only. They don't make them like this no more. They don't make them like this no more. So it's highly unlikely. My my prediction is I'm going to trade this account until next year, and I'm looking to make like around 20K profits. That's like when I'm fully funded. When I'm fully funded with them and I have a live account. I'm talking about an account where I'll be able to like make a payout. Understand? So yeah, I'm going to like trade it like that until I have like 20K of funds available for me to withdraw. Then yeah, that's TT. So I didn't explain this gold trade, but it's actually something like this. This is a 50%, I think, of a daily, yeah, daily imbalance. Because coming on to the daily, yeah, it's a continuation. Looking at the daily, you'll see that I already had this, which is what I used to catch this. I'll explain just now. But then from this, because this is had already happened, so from this, I'm anticipating a continuation from year to year. How is that so? It's this fair value gap, 50% of this fair value gap. I'm looking for that continuation there. So let's go down to the 4 hours so that you can see things more clear. So yeah, we're having this here. If you look at this, we was on this uptrend. They showed us that they're now changing character, and then they continued to like catch us, like how they caught me. I was also part of the liquidity because I was violated strongly, as you can see. So from that, I was able to see that okay, this was only because this had to happen. Understand? Okay, so now we're not there. Now all we have to do is catch a continuation. Now I was a bit skeptical about this entry here. Reason being, we do have this 4 hour supply. And trust me, I had this marked up. I had this marked up, but I was like, nah man, not fuck it. I do know that we have the supply here, but then I trust that the imbalance is going to act like it's going to be more efficient. Understand? We are going to get the reaction that we want from this zone here. Because a lot of people are going to be looking to enter here. And I'm assuming we might not reach that level. We might just take out this liquidity and then enter and then drop. But then I don't know. Or we might take out this liquidity, take out even myself, and then activate this here and then drop. But nonetheless, I'm going to be inside. You can trust that. You can trust me with that. I'm going to be inside. So yeah, let's continue. Let me continue with this. So this is the 50% as you saw on the daily, and we also have this supply zone there that we have to look out for. And this is just a continuation entry, man. Nothing hectic, nothing much, just a continuation entry. And the clean on is to 6 if I'm yeah, 1:6. So that's it from our side. CTM Capital, as you can see, Tobanim Tetsu's dashboard. Yeah, and I also have the account here on my phone. I don't know if this is going to show, but just going to try and focus. Yeah, 50K. I don't know if that's clear, but that's 50K right there. So yeah, maybe that's all I can say for now. So stay tuned. If you happen to see this, like as it's Sunday, please look out for these trades and make sure to execute. You are going to benefit, dog. You are going to benefit. Peace out. So route to like 70K. Yeah, because I'm funded 50K and I'm looking for 20K profits. Then only withdraw. So yeah, that's like road to 70K. I don't know, man. We'll see when we get there. If we get there, no, we are going to get there. Just joking, just jokes. But we'll see. We'll see. We are going to change a few things here and there along the line, but I'm going to update you. Yeah, man. So road to 70K it is. That's the title. Road to 70K. Let's get funded. So from me, TTM Capital, signing out.